Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add lab bullet point in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show add lab bullet point in Google Sheets. Now select from a cell. Now click for mouse, double click. Then keyboard press from the Walter 3, that it's. Now select from a Walmart cell, that it's. Now jump from rise, that is. Then I show add lab bullet point in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.